Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin now. Confirm you're signed in as an administrator and backup saved Wi-Fi and VPN credentials. Once done, close apps and save files so nothing interrupts the reset. Now navigate to Settings, choose Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings. Make sure to note any static IPs or custom DNS entries you'll need to reapply. This first step preps Windows to remove adapters and restore defaults safely, so you avoid unexpected downtime or lost configurations. Now execute the reset, scroll to Network Reset and read the impact summary so you understand what will change. When you click Reset Now, confirm the prompt. Windows will schedule a restart. After reboot, Windows reinstalls network adapters and applies factory defaults. This fixes driver corruption and misconfigured stacks. Make sure to wait through the restart process. Do not power off. If you use Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapters with custom drivers, prepare to reinstall or update them after the reset completes. After the reset, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or plug-in Ethernet and reapply any static IP or DNS settings and VPN configurations you backed up earlier. Make sure to open Device Manager and update adapter drivers if Windows used generic drivers. If connectivity fails, run the built-in Network Troubleshooter and verify that WLAN auto-config and network connection services are running. One key tip: if a driver causes problems, roll back to the previous driver or download the manufacturer's.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.